Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we create the perfect drawing inside Autocad. So let me just make something first inside Autocad, and then we'll be looking for the perfect drawing. How can we create the dimensions, each and everything, right? Okay, so let me just put a line somewhere here from here and press escape. Now a line is drawn over here, over offset, and I just wanna make I just want to select the line, E for erase. When I say for, actually I press the space button. Over offset, and choose this line here. Now select this line, click on upward, like this, and somehow like this. See? Alright. Next, I will enter LE for Lee, and I wanna click on here like this. As you can see over here, an arrow is drawn over here, but you can't see that. I'm happy with this because the people will just go upward in this direction. It's just like this. Let's do this option right now. Next, what you can do, I'll just take an offset of 1 at this side as well. Now I'll just trim, TR double enter, trim this portion, zoom and trim this portion, Z enter, E enter to fit your view. And then finally what you can do, you do nothing, just let me take another line from here, somewhere here, from here, somewhere here, TR double enter and trim this portion as well, L for line, starting from somewhere here. Again press space to get into that dimensions, again TR double enter and choose this portion as well. I will take an offset, or first let me draw a line from here till here, and I will just move this line, right click, or for offset, and I'll just take 1 inch offset in this direction. Now again I will just take an offset of 12 from this line. See, 12 is too bigger. Let me just move this line of 6. So it means if I draw a line over here, L for line, I will just move, M for move, this line 6 on this side, E for erase, L for line is already exist over here, M for move, and I'll just 1, L for line, closing this portion. Now over offset 6, click on here, again TR double enter, trim this portion and this portion, Z enter, E enter. Again, if you want, draw a middle line starting from here and closing this. Again press space button to get into their dimension, Z enter, E enter. Now again I will take an offset of 3 from this side and from this side, always from this side and this side. See, let me just draw a line starting from somewhere here, press F8 to make the line free. Again get into the line command, starting from somewhere here, closing the sketch, and from here press escape, Z enter, E enter. Alright, next what you can do, if you want, you can add a dressing room at the corner like this. Okay, now I'll take an offset of 0.5 inch . 1 on this side I will just TR double enter. I will just trim this portion, Z enter, E enter. Now I will just move, and I will just press F8, like this. See, offer offset, and I'll select 0.5. Okay, again I will trim, TR double enter, like this. Z enter, E enter. Sorry, I will copy, CO for copy from here, and I will just put it somewhere here. See, now I just taken a copy of this, EX double enter, and choose this portion. See, EX double enter, and I wanna TR double enter, trim this portion and this portion. Now EX double enter, choose this and this side. Again TR double enter and trim this portion. Z enter, E enter. Right, and now I wanna talk about the another section, like L for line. I will draw a line, M for move 1 inch, M for move, choose this region, holding from here and specify the distance 1. See, now we'll take an offset of 3.5 over here. See, now the door is okay. TR double enter, right, again I will draw a line over here as well, like this. I will just move, holding from here at 1 distance. Now I will take an offset of 3.5. See, TR double enter and specify this region. Now we have done with this as well. And if you want to show the door position, again what you can do, you do nothing, just coming from somewhere here like this. And right now I will just draw a line starting from here and from here, Control Z, L for line, starting from somewhere here. Sorry, Control Z, E for erase, L for line, starting from somewhere here and something like this. Now I will remove the unwanted portions, TR double enter, this, and this, and I will just draw a line somewhere here like this, and TR double enter, E for erase, Z enter, E enter, TR double enter, and right now what you can do, I will just erase this line as well, TR double enter. See, Z enter, E enter. Same for this door as well. C for circle, starting from somewhere, sorry, Control Z, C for circle, C for circle, circle. Somewhere here like this. Now I will simply draw a line starting from somewhere here like this and starting from somewhere here like this. Now TR double enter, trim this portion. I'll just trim this portion as well. See, like this. I will erase this option, erase this option, erase this option, Z enter, E enter, and I think mostly we have done the work. And right now, if you want, let me just erase this line as well. BH for H, and at pick points, I'll just click on here, and when I click on the preview, it's okay. Now again, at pick points, click on here, and I'll hit OK. Now I just created H inside this, and Z enter, E enter. What you can do more is just to do one thing, and that is just defining the dimensions. But before going to the define the dimensions, basically we are going to dimensions. Basically we are going to use the two commands, DAL double enter and DLI dimension linear, right? And let me tell you about the differences between both of these commands as well, right? Z enter, E enter, and right now if I just scroll in and scroll out, the cursor, the work coordinate system just moving along with me. I'll just click on the format, view and display UCS, and just remove it from the origin. Now it will not move from its own place, right? Now Z enter, E enter, and now if for example I just want to define DAL double enter and just drag your cursor in this way. But if you look at the dimensions, so it just look really tiny, and I'll just delete it for now. I will just do certain dimension for the text. Now D enter, click on modify, and go for the text. Line symbols and arrows, you can just arrow size 0.18. I'll just choose the 0.3. See, text, I will just define it 3. Fit primary units, and I'll just say okay. And now let's see, when I just define DAL double enter and just defining the whole length, okay, it's fine for me right now. See, you can just double click on this, and when I just define by color, you can just define it red right now, and I'll just cancel it for now, right? Next again, DAL double enter, and I'll just do like this again. I will do one thing. Actually, what we're doing, DLI enter, and you can just go for the internal dimension like this. But let me do one thing. D for dimensions, modify symbols and arrows, and arrow size, let me keep it 1 for now, and I'll hit OK. Z enter, E enter, right? And I think I should delete this one too, and D for dimensions, modify, go for the text, and text height, I must keep it 1.5, and I will hit OK. Z enter, E enter. Now what you can do, I will just DAL double enter and just defining this length. Again press this length, and I'll just defining this length, and I will do DLI enter, and you can go for the internal length of the room as well, right? Actually what you can do, you do nothing just to know about that. For example, I just wanna measure this internal, this span length, DLI, enter, starting from here till here, and this is this length, right? So now you need to know both of the rooms have same dimensions, and then you just multiply them and just write down in the form of the multiplications to know about the area. Right, so I think dimensioning something is not really difficult for you people. Once you know about the modification and do certain modification, if you have something wrong with that, and then knowing that if you have something angular, suppose you just wanna what is the angle in between them, then DAN, dimension angular, see, and it's 90 degree, right? So I think nothing is really difficult for you people to understand. And by layer, I just want to talk about this one. See, now it just look pretty. I will choose this, press and hold, like choose all the dimensions, go to by layers and choose them red. You can define the different layers creation from here as well, but for now you can create the new layers and defining the dimensions in one layer, defining the drawing in other sections. And I just wanna go for this, and we'll just define yellow for now. See, so I think it's really difficult for you sometimes to understand how to dimensions, and I just made this for you really easier, right? So I think now to make any drawing would not be really difficult for you, because just all will actually deliver the basic stuffs to you. And I think this tutorial will really help a lot for the beginners, whoever wants to just learn the AutoCAD 2D, AutoCAD basic drawings and dimensions, right? So all the best, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.